keep your garage door operating smoothly, it's a great idea to lubricate it at least once a year. But first, you want to make sure you're using the right lubricant. You want to use a White Lithium Grease, never a thin silicone spray or a degreaser like WD-40. The White Lithium Grease is nice and thick and it'll stay in place. Also, you don't want to lubricate any stationary parts like the track in particular because the door can slip. What you want to lubricate, starting with the rollers. I'm going to use this piece of cardboard just so I don't get lubricant all over every place. And just lubricate, the roller passes through this fixture, so just lubricate right in there. That's all. You don't need any more than that. And of course, you wind up doing all the rollers. Also up here, you want to do the torsion spring. That's this long spring right here. Again, I'll use the cardboard just so I don't make a mess. And you want to spray all along the entire spring. Beautiful, just like that. And of course, you want to do the other half of the spring. Then up here, this piece, this silver piece is called a carrier, and it slides along the rail. If you're going to lubricate this, always lubricate the top, which is the bearing surface, not the bottom, because it's not really making any contact there. Now, once you've lubricated all those moving parts, your garage door will not only operate more smoothly, but a lot quieter too.